Alright, so we have our products here. What you're going to need to start off with is your plant. Your fruit or vegetable. We have our kale here. And then we have our Dr. Earth fertilizer. Then we have our Miracle Grow moisture control soil. And we have some Scott's Red Mulch. Also, we have our container. This is about a 5-quart container. You can start off much larger so you don't have to continue to repot. But we're going to start off with this one and let it grow from there. Alright, let's go. Hi guys, it's Kim here, CEO and owner of All Living Things. And what we're going to do today is we're going to start a container garden. So with the times as it is right now, we ought to prepare and be self-sustained. So what we're going to do is we're going to grow this beautiful kale plant in this container. And I'm going to show you the steps. We have our products here and we listed those, so we're ready to go. So what I've done here is I've taken this 1.5, 2-quart container and I've poked a drainage hole here and I've poked a drainage hole on the side about 1 to 2 inches from the bottom. And what that's going to do is it's going to let out any excess water. So what we're going to start here, we're going to start with our red mulch. And we're going to just top that into the bottom of the pot. And what this mulch is going to do is going to save some of the moisture for the plant so it can, what we call, wick into the bottom for the root system, because it's such a sunny, beautiful day and we're going to have sunny days like this, the plant is going to dry out. So we don't want the plant to dry out. So we got to retain as much moisture as we can, but not too much. So that is why we have the hole here, so any excess water can just drain out. So we have our red mulch here into the bottom, and next we're going to go with our moisture control soil. And I'll grab this. We're just going to pile it in there. Now I haven't begun to create my own container mix, so I am using Miracle Grow moisture control soil. Just about all that bag to get all the nutrients and feed that plant. And again, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. It's all fun. So next, we got that soil in there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to mix in our Dr. Earth fertilizer. And this just gives the plant a little extra nutrients for your plant. So we're going to give it a good amount, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. And I'm going to dig in just on the top level. Mix it in really good, so when the plant needs it, it can eat just like we do, eat from this fertilizer. Alright, in the process of creating my own, so I don't have to go to the store and I can be completely self-sustained. Alright, so we have all of that mixed in, and what we have here is a Prism kale. And shame on me because I let it grow a little too much in this little pot, so the roots are coming out here. And what that's done, unfortunately, is caused some leaves to go bad. And I'm going to have to cut some off. Don't be afraid, because what's going to happen is they're going to grow back. And we have some new growth here that looks wonderful. So the new babies are going to come. We just had to take that one bad leaf off. I'm just going to pop it out of the container. Don't be afraid to be a little rough, a little firm. And what I'm going to do is loosen up this root ball right here so the roots can spread in this soil. Alright, and I'm going to make a nice hole in the container. And what we want is this first part of the stem here. We want that sticking out of the ground. We don't want to cover it completely. But we're going to get it in the ground, in the dirt. And we're going to start our container garden. So we have it in there. I'm going to water it in real good. But first I'm going to get some more of that red mulch and put it on top, because that's what that's going to do. It's going to keep the moisture in from the top. So we have moisture from the bottom and we have moisture retention from the top. So there you have it, quick and easy. If you want to do multiple of these and just line your deck up so you'll have everything ready for harvest and you can eat off of it. Again, this is a rough time in the world right now, so we don't know what is going to happen from day to day. So it's best to prepare and depend on yourself. So check out www.alllivingthings.co, and there you can order these container gardens. Or you can go ahead and try your own. Also, follow me at All Living Things 83 on Facebook and Instagram. And I have all products listed and steps below. Alright? Alright, this is Kim, guys. All Living Things. Bye.